Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can unarchive a contact in Mailchimp. So let's just click here on audience. Let's just go to view contacts. And right now I'm gonna select one contact here, that's me. And now what I'm going to do, I'll just click here, manage contacts and view archived contacts. And right here, I will just click here and unarchive, right? And voila. So this is pretty much it, how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.